Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to translate any website or any web page using Google Chrome, but this method can be also used when you are using Firefox. Okay, so we are going to show you how to do it. Just open your browser, Google Chrome. Go to google.com and look for Google Translate extension, as you can see here, and open the first link on Google. It will take you to this page. Okay, install this extension. Okay, so when you're done installing the extension, you'll be ready to translate any website or any page on any language. So I'm going to show you now how to translate any website. Let's start. I'm gonna open this Brazilian website. As you can see, as soon as I open this website, you can see automatically Google Translate extension, they are telling me this website is in Portuguese. So they're asking me if I want to translate this website in English. And I click English. I just click on English. As you can see, it did translate the website in English. As you can see here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to open another website. As you can see, this website also is in Portuguese, but they are telling me if I want to translate this page in English, I'm gonna say English. Now you can see now this page have been translated in English. As you can see here, it was in Portuguese. But if you didn't see, as you can see here on this corner, if you check on this corner here, it's showing Google Translate up. So they are saying here, translate this page. You can just click translate this page. You can either translate it in Portuguese as it was before, or you can translate it in English. The other nice thing you can do with this extension is to translate a text by just selecting it like this. Okay, when you select it, you can see Google Translate just pop up. You can either click from here and it's gonna translate it to any language you want, or you can just right click and you'll find here, normally you should see here Google Translate. For some reason I can't see it, but this is another way you can translate a text using this Google Chrome extension. Okay, this is very simple, right? And I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.